चैनल एंड माय न्यू वीडियो। आज हम लोगों ने स्टोरी लर्न करनी थी डू गुड हैव गुड, जिसका मोरल ये है। वो स्टोरी का नेम है द स्लेव एंड द लाइन। बट जब हम छोटी क्लास में होते हैं तो हम लोग को दिए जाती थी कि स्टोरी का नेम दिया जाता था, हम स्टोरी लिख लेते थे। बट जब हम बड़ी क्लास में हो जाते हैं तो हम लोग को स्टोरी का नेम नहीं दिया जाता, हम लोगों को मोरल दिया जाता है। मैं ये बात आप लोग को बार बार बताती हूँ इसलिए कि आप लोग सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोरल्स को अच्छे से लर्न कर लें, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग को स्टोरी आती होती है बट हमें मोरल का नहीं पता होता। तो मोरल नहीं पता होने की वजह से हम पूरी स्टोरी गलत कर आते हैं। तो आपने इतनी अच्छी स्टोरी सारी याद करने से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने छोटे छोटे मोरल याद कर लेने हैं, ठीक है। तो काइंडनेस नेवर गोज अनरिवार्डेड, डू गुड एंड हैव गुड। काइंडनेस इज इट्स ओन रिवार्ड, virtue is its own reward, to turn deserve an other। The slave and the lion, ये स्टोरी का नेम है। Once a lord had a slave. He treated him a very cruel way. He did his best to please the lord, but all in vain. His master often punished without any reason. The slave was fed up with such as a miserable life. He decided to run away to get rid of this cruelty. He escaped and hid himself in a thick bush. Suddenly, a white bear appeared in front of him. As the lion was very near, the slave could not run away to save their life. However, the lion did not attack him. He saw that the lion was striking its paw on the ground again and again. He saw a big thorn in its paw. He took pity and pulled the thorn out of the swollen paw of the lion. The lion felt relief and went away after licking the hand of the slave. After a few days, unfortunately, the slave was caught by his master. The Lord decided to give him an exemplary punishment. He ordered his guard to put the slave before a hungry lion. On the fixed day, the people were invited to witness the slave. The slave was thrown into the cage of a hungry lion. The lion rushed at him with a loud roar, but to the astonishment of all, the lion fell down and began to lick his hand. It was the same lion whom the slave had revealed of its painful thorn. Now the lion was paying thanks to his benefactor by kissing his hand. The Lord asked the slave why the lion had not hurt him. The slave told the whole story. The Lord was deeply moved by his act of kindness. He set him free as a reward. This story proves that kindness never goes unrewarded. Hopefully you are enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay blessed, take care of yourself and take care of your family. Allah Hafiz.